ourselves a quick little doozy this morning. We've got a tractor trailer that made a smart decision after a not so smart decision. Luckily he stopped, but he scraped up this against the concrete pillar here. We're just going to straighten this trailer out a little bit and he should be able to wiggle through. Shouldn't be a big deal at all. All your brakes set? Go set all your brakes.
Set it?
Lock them. Make sure they're locked like you're gonna park. They're out, both of them?
How much was the truck cost?
About $1 million. Right under $1 million. If we paid it off, it'd be 1.6. Yeah.
I know.
Now you see why we have to have a call out fee.
Yeah, that's right.
I would back out.
You got back out?
No, you can. But wait till I get out of the way. We'll get payment and all that, and then you'll be good to go. Back. Yeah, because you're so far over, you're gonna have to fight the trailer navigating it all the way down.
Yeah.
Whereas if you turn to your left just a little bit, when you come back, you'll swing that front end over, and then you can just kind of back straight out into here.
Okay.
And then you can reposition from there or go around the fuel island. Yes, sir.
But in the winter, guys, you get down one.
No, we don't have much of a winter here. We get 1 or 2 snowstorms a year, but it ain't much. No.
But you can move out along the stick or no?
I could, but I mean, we can go wherever you want to go. You know,
Not like-
we're legal to be in every state.
That's why.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we're not just set to here, but it don't make sense for us to go somewhere just to run wintertime. We're relatively steady all year, but winter is our slow period.
Yeah. But in area comes something like that.
Yeah, we're busiest when it's miserably hot outside.
Yeah. Because this year one of my friends, they had it twice.
Yeah.
It's always.
Nobody knows. Everybody wants to negotiate the price, and then they ask the cost of the truck. All right, guys, so he's gonna get out of here, and I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.